Today we're going to talk about exponential and logarithmic forms. We're supposed to convert each of these exponential equations to their equivalent logarithmic forms. So logarithmic is up here on the left, exponential is on the right. B stands for base. In exponential it's right here. In logarithmic it's the subscript. X is my exponent, which is up in the air over here, and here it's on the other side of the equal sign. And y is my solution, where here it's on the other side of the equal sign, over here it's next to the log base. So our job is to take each of these and convert them to the log form. I like to go ahead and fill in make three empty spots and then fill the pieces in. So the base is right here, that's going to be 12. Base is down here in log, right here in exponential. 12 to the x. So when I do this, it'll be 12 to the x over here, come back, y. So 12 to the x equals y. That works. Let's do another one. Log, I'll make my boxes a little bigger this time. 5 is my base. 5 to the y. 5 to the y equals x. So log base 5 of x equals y. This one here is log m to the n. So here's m. 2 that's on the other side. Come back, you get e. And then on the last one here, we're just flipping the other way. So now I'm going from log to exponential. So this one is going to be 11. Start with your base, go over, get your exponent, come back, get the solution. So 11 to the y equals x. This one is y to the x equals 31. Start with your base, y, go over, get exponent, come back. This last one is g to the e equals f. G to the e equals f. That's it for today.